My name's Logan Jennings. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at California Olive Ranch. So we've been working with Wizard since 2018 when we designed the first pre-cleaning line of its type for olives. Our experience, they've been good partners to us overall. We took on a project that was the first of its kind for our industry. We're the first in North America to really follow a super high density farming format, which created some unique challenges. And Wizard was the only company that was willing to kind of take that leap and take on that challenge to solve some of the problems that we were having. The service team, the guys that they have, always want to do what they can for their customers. I mean, we've pulled parts in the middle of the night. We've been able to get phone calls, technical support, all hours of the day. So we're a 24/7 operation. So service is critical for us. So one of the other unique things that we were able to do is take some of the technology that we've installed at the plant and retrofit it into some of the harvesters. So as I mentioned, our farming format, it's 100% mechanical, and there hasn't been a cleaning solution developed for those machines. So we took the same technology that we utilize in our facility, at the processing facility, and scaled that down, and we were able to integrate that into both of the most popular types of harvesters for this farming format. So as we look into the future with California Olive Ranch and our partnership with Wizard, it's really going to come down to optimization. So we have some opportunities and small tweaks and improvements that we can make to increase not only our capacity, but also our plant reliability. And as new technology comes out, we've had good success integrating that new technology into their system. They've always been open to that. Getting solutions in place that ultimately help their customer has been one of the biggest strengths that Wizard's demonstrated.